See what I said? Key colon value. That value is the sensitive information. Mhm. Which type of values we can store? Just like a passwords, and credit card information, credit card or debit card, or maybe debit card details. If you feel whatever it is sensitive details, those information we can place it in the secret. There, how to use this in the deployment section. There, secret key ref. This is the nature we can secret key reference. There we can use. There we can go for name. There we can use for maybe they are generally name represented. Name we are passing here, automatically it can recognize. In the same way, config map also. How to use config map? Config map, config map, key ref. Config map, key ref. See, wherever ref is there, we are going to use another resource information. See, this is one type of resource, right? This is one type of resource. This resource information we are mentioning here in the form of name representation. In the form of name. I'm giving this high level skeleton. If you see the resources, there we can understand clearly. Maybe little bit you got the clarity. Yesterday I given small description. What I said. See any manifest file having four sections, right? What are the four sections? One is the API. What I said, API version. Second one is kind. Third one is metadata. Metadata. Generally, fourth one is spec. But here I'm giving spec or
Spec.
data. SP is spec or data. Here, when to use spec, when to use data. If it is secret or if it is config map, I'm giving short form CM means config map. CM represents config map. At the time only you need to go with the data block, data section, or else remaining all areas following spec, right? Spec means specification of a that specific kind, that specific kind. This is the small description. Now we are going to implementation. If you want to go and implement, I'm entering into, our Kubernetes manifest. See, here Kubernetes manifest are there. In that, I'm going to use layer. Now check it here. First, I'm going to WordPress deployment config secret.ym. WordPress deployment config secret.ym. Just I'm going to open this YML file. You may understand what happening in this notepad, control V. Just enter it. Now check it somewhere. What I said, such type of statement is there or not? Check it. Somewhere I said, right? Secret, what I said? Secret key ref. Am I said or not? Secret key ref. See, generally how to use in environment section, generally we can go with name and value. Directly we can write. But if we are writing here, we are not giving my password information. I am telling in secret key reference, what is the name? MySQL pass. MySQL pass. This is whose name? Can you guess it? This name is available. Where it is available, this name? Anyone can. Someone tell me. This name is available within secret resource. Secret resource. I'll show you in secret resource. There, what is the in secret? What is the key name? What is the key name? Password. Thus, password may be ABC, XYZ. We don't know. We don't know. I hope you got it. See, value is getting from where? Value is getting from secrets. That's why secret key reference. Secret key reference. What does it mean? Whenever control comes to here, it is telling to this resource, hey, just you go and refer some other resource. What is that resource name? MySQL password. What is the key name in that password? Till now, if it is clear for you, maybe I may copy this, I may show you there. Control C. Now what I am trying to open is maybe secret here itself is there or somewhere else I written. Notepad, check it. Secret resource is not there, right? Not there. We'll go for the secret resource. There we'll go for the secret. Somewhere the word secret is there. Check it. See, MySQL password secret. Have I recognized it or not? MySQL password secret. Notepad, MySQL password secret dot file. Now I'm pasting here. Just observe it and try to talk to me. Somewhere something is matching or not. Anyone can observe and tell me. Just interact with me. Which is matching there? Maybe in this area something is matching. Two areas are matching. What are those two areas? This is MySQL pass. See, MySQL pass is there or not?
Yeah.
This represents whose name? See, I said many times metadata name representing that kind. What is the kind here? Secret. See, this one is recognizing, this one is maybe referencing whose information like a secret information. Just like we can consider this is the secret name. In that secret, see, type is opaque. Opaque means not transparent. See, transparent means we can see. Not transparent means we can't able to see. That is hidden, right? Just like a dark. If any object is in the dark, we can't able to see. In the same way, we can't view it. We can't view it. See here, dev db at the rate 123, but in my deployment object, we can't view this. For that, what we are referencing there, I am typing password. This password will go and recognize this value. Now, got it or not? Is it clear for you?
Yeah. Yes.
Now we'll try to run it. It may work or not. We'll check it. If it is not working, we'll go another way. Already in the last batch I explained, but we'll try for this. I'm going to remove this. See, this resource information I am using somewhere else. That is the deployment. Wherever I am using, there we can use. We can easily understand wherever secret key reference is there means that existing resource information I am using in some other resource. Now I'm going to remove this. Now I'm going to apply. Now you know how to apply kubectl. Kubectl apply -f. Now what to do? There MySQL secret, right? MySQL secret. Control C, control. If it is created happy, maybe sometimes it may not create. See, we are getting an error, right? I think in the last batch I explained why we got an error, but I'll try to explain. Now, error converting YML to JSON, their line found a tab character. I think somewhere it is saying tab character. We'll check it. Any tabbing was there or not. Notepad, MySQL password, secret. Any tabbing? Any missing? Not missing, right? Using command, literal. Now I'm going to remove these three lines, not necessary. API version V1, kind secret, metadata, and string data. String data. String data means password. String data only, here is two spaces only there, right? Two spaces only there. One space, two space. Okay, I know it why it is doing that. Maybe I may run second time. If not working, we'll change the small modification. There kubectl MySQL password secret. Now you know what is happening in the sense. First I am taking this data notepad. Everybody understand? I am copying this. Once you copy this, control C. After this, what to do? Now going to open your new browser. New browser. Within the browser, there encode Their encode, encode in encode editor. I wanted encode decode and encode. Or else I may go for encrypt and decrypt. I need to go for encrypt and decrypt. Encrypt, encrypt and decrypt. This one I require. Data encryption and decryption. Maybe that is okay. Encrypt and decrypt. Even I am taking first one. Or else what to do in the sense base 64 I need encrypt encrypt CRYPT in K8s in K8s encrypt K8s secret. Actually base 64 is there, base 64 encode, yes, this is the right one. Base 64 encryption online, this one we need it. See base 64 encode, yes, good. See whatever I copied dev db at the rate 123. After this, what to do? Click on encode. Click on encode. I may get the result where it is. See Srinagar. This one you need to copy this. This one you need to copy this.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, cursor is not moving. My mouse is not properly working. Control C. Now you know it what to do. Going to prompt. There open it. Open it. Notepad. See. Some extra letter added. Now up arrow, remove this, center it. See old technology, this is okay. In new version of Kubernetes, you don't directly write control V. What I did here, first I took my password, then what I did, I encoded. See, encoding means converting known to unknown. See, this one cannot readable. Are you agree with me? Cannot readable in the sense others cannot know what it is. Maybe something is there. We don't know exact terminology. That's why they are giving like this. Save it. Now try to apply. Use GTL apply. Use GTL apply. There. Now it may work. Even still it is not working. Error parsing MySQL password secret, error converting. Okay, something is going wrong. Something is going wrong. Notepad MySQL.yml. Any other area? Any
Here it
other
is showing indentation. That is showing indentation.
indentation? Is there any indentation problem?
Yes.
Oh, here it is there. I think now there is no problem. Actually, here it is the string data, right? First, we'll take string data only. String data. First, we need to go with this. If not working, I may go with the data. I think now indentation, no problem. You may check it. Save it. Now, no. But in which line? Line 6. Line 6. Notepad.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the sixth line, right? Now I may go with actually their data block. I'm taking data block only as it is. We are closing this, no problem. Save it and try to run it. It may work. Not working. Now, what to do in the sense, you may go with Visual Studio Code. There quickly I may go with secret block. From that I may take. From that I may take there YML. That the director would not be open. The editor. Why editor having problem? Why editor is facing difficulty? New file, new file. File name is s.yml. s.yml. Now where it is on desktop, create file. Now good to go. You go for SE even control space bar SECRET. Secret is that right? Secret. See, by default one I am taking. By default one is there right? API version V1 kind secret metadata. What is the metadata name there? Anyone respond? What is the metadata name there? I think MySQL. What is the metadata name? There I am going to open that one. There I am going to open that one. Now observe and tell me what is the metadata name? MySQL pass, right? See, I am copying this. Control
Yes.
C. There I am going to modify.
Yes.
If it is not working, we may go in that way. Control V. That is step one is clear. What is step two? Password. What is the password? There we encrypted, right? You may go with encrypted password. Encrypted password. Where it is? I may go already added, right? Already added here. This one I need to take. Control C. Now good to go. Where you want to go? Here. Control. I hope this is not wrong. Only one space only. It is also one space is there. Now I am copying this. Control C copy. Now what I am trying to do? I may modify in that existing file, notepad. In this file, this total content control A, control V, I change it. Am I changed or not? Am I changed or not? Control V, I did it. Control A, control V. I think everything is fine. Now close this, save it, try to rerun. Try to rerun. How to run kubectl apply hyphen F. Now something modified. What it is modified? They failed to download open API get. First you need to check kubectl. See Srinath Garu, I think node not created. That is the problem. Or I'm observing. Cluster is
Yes.
not running. That's why are
Yeah.
facing difficulty. Older one also correct only. Till now cluster is not there. That is the problem. Without cluster, how can it create a resource? Now you need to start Docker desktop. Docker desktop. Now you know this is running. You need to check k8s is not running. We don't want. Now you go for where? There mini cube star. If you are getting different error means something going wrong. See, relevant error means we are very happy. That is not the relevant error. That's why I identified cluster is not running. Oh, everything is fine. kubectl get nodes. Yes, it is working. Now you try for same thing. kubectl, right? MySQL password. Now see, it got created or not? Even older one also, right one only. Older one in the sense with devdb at the rate something is it won't work. Srinath garu understood or not? That won't work. Once you encode it, it will work. Once you encode it, it will work. Now you want to see, right? kubectl get secret. kubectl get secret. See, one secret got created. Everybody are understanding how can I know secrets? My secret name is what? MySQL pass. What is the type? Opaque, not transparent. In that, how many data items are available? Right? How many data items are available? One password only be written. Are agree with me? One password. That's why it is showing one. It is showing one.
Yes.
Suppose we are trying to go with another way. Another way in the sense, notepad. Where is notepad? Yes. Then you may go for, see, I may copy this, control C, I may do one more time, control V, one more time, control V. There, this is assume password one. This is assume password. See, two email IDs may have same password, maybe different password. Maybe possible to have same password. Is there any problem for see your password, my
Yes.
password, both may be same, but your email ID, my email ID must be unique,
No.
right? Unique or different. Are you agree with me? Here now, how many data items are there? Two data items. Everybody understood, right? I'm going to close this. Save it. Now I'm trying to re reapply. Apply. What happening upside? Now kubectl somewhere get the secret, right? Get the secret. Now check it. This is very, very important. Everybody understand, right? Why here 2 is visible? Why here 2 is visible? Now our secret having how many, just like how many data item, I can't say password because of their password is there, but in real time we can't say password. How many data items are there? Two data items. This data item I want to use in my application. Now where I want to use it? dir. Here in this application, I want to use Renata. Now, notepad, copy it, notepad, control V it, and enter it. And now small change is needed. What is the small change? Already we have seen, right? What is the small change here? You need to type here password. Or agree with me? Password one. Password one. This is related to WordPress, WordPress application, WordPress application. Is it clear for you? Now you want to deploy it. Now you want to deploy it. You want to deploy it. We took only deployment here is yes, deployment is there, service is there, but where is MySQL pod related information, MySQL pod related information. Here it is not there, right? First we need to check it. Is it working or not? WordPress deployment config secret. Close this, save it, and try to create this. Here is kubectl apply -f control B. WordPress deployment config secret. Now it is created, right? Now it is service also there. Now we'll go and check it. kubectl get SVC. Now WordPress service is there. Node port is there. Minikube, Minikube. Please respond. Minikube service. After that, you need to type that service name. That service name. Control C, there control V. There enter it. It is going to, it is default WordPress service. What it is saying? What it is saying? WordPress service HTTP 80 3535284 main unable to resolve the current Docker CLI context, default context not found, OpenC users HP Docker. I think something is going wrong. kubectl get node is working, right? Node is working, but it is not able to extract. WordPress service found existing due to SVC unreachable. Service not available. Which service is not available? Service already there, right? kubectl get SVC, even though service is there. I think I typed properly, right? Minikube MINIKUBE service. This is proper statement only, right? But it is not able to start. But pod got created or not? Pod got now see. Oh, it is taking time. Srinath garu. Actually, it is taking time. Error establishing database connection. See, database connection not there, right?
It's con-
Till now, database connection not there. You may ask if you want to implement database connection, again you may go for Control C, again dir. See somewhere you may go for WordPress, not WordPress. Spring Boot, Mongo, Dynamic PV is there, right? There, Spring is there, Mongo is there. In that Mongo, I may use that password. If you want it, we can use it. We may try here. There Spring Boot Mongo dynamic pv.yml. Copy this. Here is notepad, notepad. Control B. Check it here. Here also relevant information is there. devdb at the rate 123 only, right? Are you understanding or not? See here also MongoDB
yes.
password. MongoDB password is there or not? Name colon MongoDB password. After this, what will you do? You need to, in place of value, I may go and get it. I may go and get it. What I want to go and get it. Now I am telling to you just how many notepads are there here. Now this one, this is not. I may go for which one I want to apply in the sense. This one, WordPress config secret. This one I am opening. From this I am copying. Control C, right observe, Control V. There I am going to Notepad. Now what is my intention is, see here, name is okay. Name is okay. There see name. After name, what it is there? This is you need to copy paste it. Copy it. There I am going to our this one. Wherever name is there, here Srinath Garu, just you need to control it. Is it clear for you? Here password is visible for you? No, right? In previous scenario, password is visible. Now password is not visible. Is it clear for you? Yes or no? Now we try to run this. Really, is it working or not? We need to check. Save it. You try it. This one is not necessary. I think I properly added. Now we go for which one? Spring Boot Mongo related, right? Not Spring Boot Mongo. There kubectl kubectl apply -f Spring Boot Mongo. Now everything is fine, but you need to wait for at least 1 or 2 minutes. Why? It may want to start, right? Service need to start. The kubectl get SVC. There, what is the service? We need service, Spring related service. Where is the Spring related service? This is the load balancer, right? Spring with load balancer. Now kubectl, not kubectl, minikube service What is the name of the service? Spring. The service name is Spring. Control C. There, control V. See, up to now, system is not identifying, but it is slowly recognizing. Now, till now, not started. Till now, not started. First, manual, you need to check all the resources are started or not. Control C, kubectl get pod, kubectl get pods. There, check it. All pods are there. Spring Boot Mongo, right? Till now, Mongo is what happening. Please observe here. Till now, Mongo is what happening.
Create
Creating means not yet, right? Not yet created, doing something. That's why they
అంటే
may give readiness probe, liveness probe. If you use readiness probe means once it is created, then only it will give one by one, right? Now once again you need to apply, even still creating. Now what I am trying to do, I need to delete first everything because of insufficient memory. You sit here, delete all, hyphen all. Even secret got deleted or not, first we need to check. Secret is also deleted or not, first we need to check. See, these many resources are running, that's why memory is not allocated properly. Only 2 GB memory or maybe maximum 4 GB it will allocate for this. First kubectl get secret secret. Now secret already there. Once if you delete all, secret won't delete, configMap won't delete, and PVC won't delete, PV won't delete. Everybody try to remember. Once we delete common resources, those resources are special resources that won't delete. Now what to do? There, Spring Boot, Mongo, Dynamic PV. That's all. Now you need to check kubectl get parts. Now it is trying to create. Wait for a moment. Now see, now memory is sufficient, right? Even in previous also we did same similar way, but it is keep on trying to creating. Now kubectl get svc. Now tell me, you need to go and run this one, right? How to run anyone? Tell me how to run this. How to run this service?
So many cubes.
Minikube, right? Minikube, good. Next service. What is the name of the service? Spring app. Are you agree with me? Now it may try for this. You'll check it. You will check it. Now everything is fine, right? Is it clear for you? Even if you want it, maybe I am writing here Kishore, 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 Kumar, Kumar, cursor. My mouse, if I am clicking left mouse button, it is going to go for right. Kumar, Kishore Kumar, maybe it is kk at the rate gmail. If my database is properly working, I may get here data. Is it clear, right? This is one of the real-time scenario. Same strategy. Maybe whatever the company, whatever the application, other than this, they won't use. Other than this, they won't use. Here, see, one secret we used, one deployment we used, one replica set we used, and one PV we used, one PVC we used. Even check it PV and PVC, maybe there are not. I'm showing you. Windows key are there, CMD, check it. QCTL, QCTL, get PVC first. See, PVC got created or not? Yes. In the same way, kubectl get PV also. One more PV is there. There one replica is there. That's why one PVC and one PV. Suppose two replicas are there means MongoDB, two PVCs and two PVs will create. I hope everybody understood, right? Is it clear for you? Even I may show you one more thing. I may show you one more thing. I may show you one more thing. I want to describe secret. Anyone tell me how to describe secret? First kubectl, get secret, right? secret, secret. Why I'm going to describe, I may give clarity. Kubectl describe, describe, secret. What is the name of the secret? MySQL
My
pass. See, are you able to see my password? This is the power of secret. Everybody understood, right? See, password one is the key. Password two is the key. See, I may tell my email ID to anyone, but can I tell my password? No. In the same way, your password is having 9 characters. Your password is having 9 characters, but I can't able to provide. I can't able to show you. Everybody understood or not? Tell me. Is it clear for you? Now, in the same browser, we need to go for config. I may apply config for same application. I may apply config. Now you go to here. You go to here. There I may go with here in this scenario. Control A, delete. Now see config map. Is there or not config map? See, 98% common look and feel. Common look and feel. Why I told 98%? Here actually previous scenario secret was there. Now in this scenario, what we are taking? Config map. See, my app. Now try to type same thing. What is the same name? What is the name of their MySQL? What was there? Anyone can observe and tell me? What is the name was? MySQL pass, right?
SQL.
MySQL pass. I may give at least MySQL pass one. These are also unique names, right? That's why I'm going to give try to remember MySQL pass one. There small change I did because of different namings I need to provide. Or same name if you give conflict mappers. Now key value. What is the key here? Password only. Password. What is the name of the password? We don't know, right? We don't know. We don't know means we'll go and get it. We'll go and get it. There directly you can type. Directly in the sense dev. I think devdb, right? Devdb at the rate 123. I think. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Devdb at the rate 123. Now I'm going to control A. You know it. Control C. I am taking. Control C. I am taking. I am going to here notepad, maybe cm.yml. Shall I go with this? Notepad cm.yml. Already cm is there. Cm is there. Now I don't want this. Close it. Notepad. This is our data only, right? No problem. Notepad cm.yml. No problem. Leave it. Notepad cm.yml. They are control A, control B. Our data only, Kishore. I recognize our password. What is the name of this? MySQL pass1. Try to remember. Close this. I said right. Config will take data in the form of plain text. Plain text means is it visible and readable? Is it visible and readable? Good. Now how to apply this? kubectl. kubectl apply -f cm.yml. Now got created. How can I see this? kubectl get, kubectl get. See, two ways we can got it. Config map. This is one way. Second way is, please observe, simple short form get cm. See, here, even though I applied config map, one previous system generated config map one is there, that is the certificate. Just now we created one config map, right? That is the MySQL pass one. Is it clear for you? This one I want to use in my, this one I want to use in my application. What is your application? What is your application? CD KUBR. CD Kubernetes manifest DIR. Now try to understand here. What is our application? WordPress, Spring Boot, Mongo, Dynamic PV, right? Spring Boot, Mongo, Dynamic PV. Just I am taking this, copy this, notepad, control V8, open it. And now anyone can guide me where to modify, what to modify, where to modify, what, where to modify. Now observe and tell me. The secret key reference is there, right? In place of secret key, config map key ref Kishore. Have you got it? Config map key ref. What is the name of that? Please respond. What is the name of that? MySQL one, right?
Pass one.
MySQL pass one. What is the key name? What is the key name we took? Password or password one? I think I took only password or password one. Just observe here. There, see what it is there. Only name password, right? Only name password. Now I need to change password. I hope everything is fine or not. Please observe and tell me.
The traffic map
Anything
is
missing?
the traffic map
Config
is
map,
Yeah, I
spell
took
me
config
TT,
map.
extra T is there.
Where config map. Yeah.
Map T.
Yeah, good. Now config map key ref. Is it clear for you? If everything is fine, assume. Save it. Save it. Now what to do? First you need to go and delete again everything. kubectl delete all hyphen. Why I am doing like this? Because of memory insufficiency. Your application wants to run properly, you need to clear the memory. See, once it is cleared, I need to run this. kubectl apply hyphen f. In one application, wait for 1 minute, then only it will run. But we need to check kubectl get svc. There somewhere Spring app is there. You know that password, maybe devdb at the rate 123. If everything is fine, then only we can get maybe application. What is that status? Application may get it, but data if you enter and if you submit, if it is going to database means that password is correct, then only it will enter into that database. We need to check it. Tell me, minikube service again Spring SPRINGAPP. Now I'm going AA, very easiness BB. Then I may go for AB at the rate gmail. See, if any existing resources, existing applications, you want to do some manipulations, this is the right way to understand, this is the right way to learn. Someone given some maybe existing manifest files. They may ask, your boss may tell, please go and change the password, please go and modify the config map, please go and modify the secret. Is it good for us, right? Simply we did or not. Wherever you want it, you can go there. Maybe based on that. Now, in the same application, I used first case is case one is I use the secret. Second case is I used config map. You may ask where to use which one. or when to use which one. Very simple. If you feel sensitive information, if you feel sensitive, you may go with which one? Secret. If you go with insensitive, maybe normal data. If you feel plain text, at the time you go with which one? Map. Config map. Got it or not? Config map. Is it clear for you? There, C first letter also capital. CON, config map. Is there any difficulty in config map and secret? Maybe I given very simple way. We applied application also. We added. We did very important. They are asking interview. Actually, secret is there. Actually, config is there. I want to use in deployment that one. How to use? I said right. Secret, SECRET. Secret key ref. This is the one type of terminals. For config map, again key ref. Key ref is very common term. Here config map means we are giving config map. Here secret means secret. But here see, try to understand. Kind is nothing but what? Kind secret. SECRET. In the same way, kind is what? Kind is config map. Config map. But at the time of using in our another resource, this is acts like a property. Any property, if it is available in the left side, see, left side property must start with lowercase. Right side values must start with uppercase. This is the blind notation I am giving because of maybe according to my experience, I am giving this clarity. I hope you understood right. In right side, any value, if you write it, that each word first letter must be capital. See, here two words are there. Each word first letter should be capital. This is left side reference. That's why left side values must be start with lowercase. Next, next word, first letter capital. Again, if we get one more word is first letter is capital. I hope everything is fine or not. Tell me, yes or no. Today evening, today evening we may go for a Terraform. Next tomorrow morning, I may go with a new resource that is very important, powerful concept is ingress. Ingress. If ingress minikube is not supporting properly, I may go with EKS. With EKS, I may explain. Maybe I may do the experiment once again. Based on the experiment, maybe I may tell, maybe I may show you why it is not supporting, why there it is support. Those things also we may see trial and error basis also. Thank you. If any doubt is there, ask me, or else we can wind the session and we'll continue evening. Shall I wind it?
Yes, sir.
One more. If you give
Yeah.
permission to me, we may extend 1.5 hour session. That is good for you or not? That is your wish. Session is 1 hour is less, I think. If you go for 1.5 hour, you may learn at least 2 to 3 resources at least. Generally, today we learned only two, right? Assume two resources. If you give 1.5 hour means at least I may explain three resources. Maybe sometimes you may go with use cases. See here, learning resources is very simple, but implementing use cases is very difficult. See, if I give one task to you, if I give manifest files to you, I may ask you to link up. There you may confuse where to link up, how to link up, what to link up is somewhat difficulty. Those things I may explain clearly because of in real time also already some parts are running, some services are running, some config maps are there. We may got an error. Based on the error, we'll go and rectify the specific resource, right? That we need to learn. Have you understood right what I am telling? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you permit me, today also I may start at maybe 4:30, if you permit me. Or else I may go with 5 to 6 only. That is your wish. Maybe try to respond in WhatsApp group is there, right? Everybody are there. Maybe if you are willing at 4:30, maybe give the response yes. If you are not willing, don't give response. See, good word is best. Bad word is not useful. That's why I'm asking to you. If you are willing at 4:30 to 6, we may start at 4:30. If you are, suppose I didn't get at least 2 to 3 SS, I may start at 5 only. Okay, thank you. We'll see what happens. Okay, I am winding the session. Thank you.